motlogolo o dutse ka lesising wa se leka ke jebane o tsene ke ipona mona.
Ish, Malumi, calm down, okay? You are not cute. Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Awa, you look dangerous mona. You be like sure if you le Noko na.
Bofali pondo, Malumi, you're starting to sound like Ntiki Mazwai.
No. Che, ke lo tjaba thuche. O tsene ke madimone ke re wena. Ke TV game e bela o e raloka e.
What's about Malumi? If you could lose weight by jumping into conclusions, ngebe o le slender by now.
Jesus, nga se gona. A wona ke fonela Pastor Scare.
Who the hell is Pastor Scare?
Hello. He mona Scare. Ngo pa ke sho teka mo gae mona. Go ne le tokolo shidi mo sofe.
Mutako ramanga re tokolo.
Gata chief.
E ka yona Saturday re ba theka di later bushing.
Evan, khane mutako e ba eme ka montena.
O nametše mona. Ke tokolo shintwe.
No man, this is Benzo. He's my holy transport. He's fast and strong. Aye, Benzo man, this is not a parking lot. Tsoa! Black film. Jia holy grass shoes tlaba strong. Wa bona indaba flopa gore ke lebetse take away ya tlhware kwa gae.
Ai, Benzo e ya tšwafa. O berekela company efe?
No ways. Uthata ke phikalo kam. The demon inside him is affecting Benzo. Ciao Nemo. This will terminate the demon's smudge.
Hey, king e dadings. Hey, nale aftertaste ya bullet.
Akere wa kwa. That is why o lwala. O tla mo taste na le di bullet na ga ikamo.
Wa ke petrol e kgethwa siele. Wena se mau. Why did you speed my holy petrol? Khutes ke 95. Wa ka ba re tura bya ndi khutes.
Ye wena. A re phakisho futa ke ka mo gae.
Ai ke nka wena na o thomile gafa.
O nyoko bona re ke gafa.
My brother from another mother scan to Chatlemon. Ke a o rapela.
Akere wa bona. O rapela motho mo rang. Se tshopete ko wena. O botse badimo ke re hellos.
Give it to me, dog. Am I dying today? Wait a minute. Wana dama never. Black man to spalala the cream. Malume wa namtako ka re pere legini mosfatoro.
Dr. Scare tell it just stupid say. Black is beautiful wena.
Don't worry, Mr. Mashaba. I'm used to this.
Mzegezek. Kya go bona clever. Did you know that your skin color is called 12 AM? AKA kumnyama. Tunnel vision. I'm sure otapaka flashlight. Rapa on a choice.
Hey, doctor, just tell us what's wrong with him before I admit I hospital sabagaswi.
Yeah, ish. He's got cholera, this boy. And chicken pox.
Cholera?
Nagana romangwen. Walking in here looking like a WhatsApp emoji. Utlompocha gore ke na le malwetse a dikgogo. Wa gafa mkhotsi.
Chicken pox? Awa, motako go mutala. Ntwe ke frog pox.
Yeah, Sewawa. There's no such thing called frog pox. Ish I've never believed in witchcraft, but today,
One really?
ka style se.
Thank you. Akere nna ke boletse. Moshimanyana o donya ka re modele mpoho ka kwa gae.
Aye, Benzo man.